Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Darshana. We are waiting for
Yes,
judges.
Nagesh.
So, yes.
Yeah, 1 minute is up. We can start up.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you for patience. Okay. So, contest number 3, Mr. Darshana, please check your audio and video.
Why? Audible?
Yes, audible and your visible. So, contestant number 3, Toastmaster Darshana, topic is why do you matter for this world? Why do you matter for this world? Toastmaster Darshana, over to you.
Thank you, uh, Toastmaster Nagesh. Why do I matter for this world? I matter because I am not easily replaceable by someone. I remember that small, fragile girl I used to be. Now I am here. I cannot really forget her. I was very shy with no friends and very, or I used to do all by myself. Today I'm little confident. If you ask me, even if I can be stronger, definitely yes. But I'm stronger than my past. I decided to do my college very far from my home, and I'm here today standing very confidently. That's why I matter to this world. I'm not easily replaceable by anyone, and if you ask me that can anyone, nobody in this world can easily replace me. If I said yes, then I'm totally wrong. Nobody can in this world can be anybody in this world can be replaceable, but I'm someone who is not easily replaceable. I have someone who marked my presence here, and I came out of my comfortable zone, and I'm standing here in front of you. I was when I joined Toastmaster, I was a girl who was sitting somewhere behind the screen. I was hiding myself so that no one noticed me. But today I'm here participating in this contest as a confident Toastmaster here today. That's what I matter to this world, and I'm waiting for make some change in this world. That's why I matter to this world. Thank you. Over to Table Topic Master.
Thank you, Toastmaster Darshana. So, let us give 3 minutes for the judges to mark their ballot. Kumar, please indicate when 3 minutes has elapsed. Audience, please remain silent until the judges have completed their ballot and the tally counter and judges are moved to the breakout room with the ballot. Thank you.
Monish, are the judges moved to the breakout room, Monish?
No, ma'am, they're still in the main room. They'll be carrying it in the WhatsApp, it seems. So I didn't move them. If you want me to move them, I'll move them. No issues for me.
No. You can check with our contest master. Nagesh?
Yeah, no issues. No issues, man. We can carry. Timer is 3 minutes or 4.
Yeah, there's 30 seconds more. Yeah, we'll wait.
Yeah,
You have-
thank you.
Mahesh, it's time, Mahesh. 3 minutes.
Timer Monesh. So thank you for your questions. So now we shall begin with the small interview with all the contestants. Now I call upon contestant number 1, Toastmaster Vinod. I'll be sharing your certificate. Give me a second. Just Vinod, so are you ready? I'm gonna ask some 1 or 2 questions for you. So Vinod, so what life tips can you offer to our guests? Vinod, what life tips can you offer to us?
I'm sorry. I could hear the crow's voice more than yours. I'm not able to hear the
No, it's not from my side.
Sorry. It's from
Yeah, Vinod, what life tips can you offer to us?
What life teaches?
Tips. What life tips can you offer to us, everyone?
Life tip.
Yes. Tips.
Oh, life tip I offer to you is it's very important. So before that, please can you stop sharing so that I can see others' face? Okay. Am I, because I'm not able to change the view from here. People have spotlighted. Okay, can you please stop sharing the screen? Okay, thank you. The important life tip is please listen to me carefully. That you should choose your role model. That's very important. And sometimes it happens that the role model has its own model, and your model will you are not fitting to that role model. So never ever stick to one person as a role model and don't follow that same thing that he is trying to do it, because you are the role model for yourself. So before that someone says you have to follow that person, no, that is not at all. So you are your own role model. That is the one life tip that I would like to keep here. Thank you so much.
Next question is, what achievement are you most proud of? What achievement are you most proud of?
What achievement I am most proud of is yes, bringing a sinking ship back to its leg and back to its course. That is one such instance that we are sailing here, and I'm very proud of that, bringing this club, the pride, and in the kind of platform that we are all now sailing here. And I am very happy that to be a captain of this ship once that it was about to sink and then bring it back to its course. And very happy that we are all sailing. And thanks to Almighty and also the past presidents. It's not just me, it's every past president's job has been there, and the instance and the hard work had been there, and special thanks to them. And I take not pride, I feel blessed to have that journey, because my journey, my learning didn't stop just with Toastmasters, and it's all multifold. People used to ask me, why do you take this stand? What is the reason you wanted to do this? There is no point, just you can leave it. That one determination that I had, that has reflected not just in Toastmaster, because that has come from within, which I reflected in my personal and also professional, and the fruits have started to reap, and I'm enjoying the life now. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Toastmaster Vinod. Now I call upon contestant number 2, Toastmaster Subramani. Check your audio and video. Sorry, audio.
Contest master.
Yes.
Okay. When you're actually the results are ready, when you want me to read out the results, I'm up for it.
Yeah. I'll let you know when to read.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
hand on that.
We
Thank
can
you.
finish conduct an interview and then we can move on to the results declaration.
So Veera, your participation of certificate of participation is here. So Veera, are you up for the question interview?
Yeah.
So yeah. So your first question. So who introduced you to Toastmasters and what made you to decide to join your club? Can I
Okay.
repeat?
Yeah, I'm getting it. So when I joined HCL, I'm really struggle to speak in English, and in our team we had some North Indian friends, so they also joined with us in the same as the same time, in the same time. So they used to go for this Toastmaster club. So one time they invited, so we also just went there, and we found some different platform, and which really helped me at that time. So I think we 3 or 4 members went that time, but but I remained here for more than 2 years, I guess. Yeah. So it's really so I can feel that betterment after joining this Toastmaster and before how I was. So that way Toastmaster really helped me to at least to speak out in English. Previously I was so nervous to speak English in front of people, but now I can handle to speak in front of some audience. So that way Toastmaster improved me.
Thank you. So your second question. Tell us about a place you live and what you liked about it.
Yeah, okay. So I'm from actually Tamil Nadu, and the exact place is Kulithalai. So which is we can say it is a center place of Tamil Nadu. So which is near to Trichy. So Trichy means it is a center of Tamil Nadu. And here I can say my house is landed in between two water sources. Okay, so in here we have a Kaveri river, so every day we can go and we can enjoy that sceneries, as well as here we are famous for banana. So as Kaveri river has, we can grow a lot of uh, we can get lot of bananas here for a cheap rate. And so as well as you can see some lot of traditional temples here. So it's really a cool place. I love to be here. And and this COVID gave me an opportunity to stay here for it's going to be for it's reached to 1 year, right? So I really love to work here, in my native place.
Thank you, Toastmaster Veeramani.
Thank you.
So now I call
Thank you.
upon contestant number 3, Darshana on stage. So I'll be sharing the certificate of participation. Yeah, Darshana. So your first question is here. So what is the greatest benefit you have gained from your experience in Toastmasters?
Sorry, can you repeat?
What is the greatest benefit you have gained from your experience in Toastmasters? The benefit you gained in Toastmasters
What is
from
the
your
benefit I
experience?
got from Toastmaster Club, joining Toastmaster Club? That's what
Yes,
you're
sir.
asking.
Yes.
So everything I got from Toastmaster Club is a benefit. I was not like this before joining Toastmaster Club. I used to hide myself somewhere behind because I don't want to express my point of view. But today I'm a girl. Today I'm someone an employee who always put my hands up when I have my opinion. I'm confident to raise my opinion and share my point of view at any meeting. That's what I gained from Toastmaster Club. It's not just that. I got lot of even in my college days. I don't have so much of friends. I always I'm kind of very reserved. But after joining Toastmaster Club, wherever I go inside HCL campus, I have some always I met some knowing face who wave their hands at me and have a smile. That is one of the biggest benefit I got from Toastmaster Club, and I cherish it. So everything I got, maybe it a kind of a leadership skill, or I definitely have improved a lot in my communication path, and everything I have got from Toastmaster Club is a benefit. And at some point of time, I felt like Toastmaster Club have changed me as a person. So it completely molded me as a person. It more than a club, it is something which molded me as who I am today. So I'm thankful for everyone who brought me to Toastmaster Club. Yes, over to you.
So thank you. This is your next question. So is your favorite subject in school and why?
Sorry. Can
What
you
was your favorite subject? What was your favorite subject in school and why?
favorite subject in school? It's like so. If you ask me favorite subject in school, I'm not very studious, but I enjoy learning. I'm someone who don't spend a lot of time for studies. Just I've always been my first bench, and I listen. I always I'm always curious about the subject, but I don't spend a lot of time to get marks. Even though I cleared my plus 2 exams with some 80 percentage, so I was not. I always think that I could have done better. So I'm not very studious about something, and I'm very peculiar about some subject and study a lot. I spend very less time for prepare for the exam. If you ask me my favorite subject, I would say maths. Yeah, maths is my favorite subject. Maths and chemistry is my favorite subject. That because I like the teachers of that particular those two subjects, because they gave me a lot of space to clear my doubts. Kind of they made me to create a they made me to like the subject. It's not just about getting marks. Something that that made me to look at the subject in an interesting way. That's what I like. That's why I liked maths and chemistry during my schooling.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all. So now I hand over the control to Toastmaster. Person Toastmaster Maunis. Over to you to announce the results.
Your performance were really good. Like I guess it would have been a very difficult situation for the guest to choose the first place runner-ups and the third runner-ups. All your you were like good, really good. I felt the difference, and that was an interesting show. So coming up into the results. First, let me show you my results. We have our second runner-up, that is third place for the day, Toastmaster Veeramani. That's a beautiful one, Veera.
Thank you. Thank you all.
And first runner-up will be Vinod Kumar, Toastmaster Vinod Kumar. You have won the first runner-up. And the winner is Darshana. Beautiful, Darshana, you won. I'll be sharing the certificates via mail to you. Over to you, Mahesh. Yeah, you can take over.
Thank you, Manish, for announcing the results. So that's it from the table topic contest. So I congratulate all the winners. So now I hand over the control to club president Toastmaster Shivakami Devi.
Thank you, Toastmaster Nagesh, and my hearty congrats to all the winners of our club contest today. Yes, so we have done it finally. I know everyone that we are really short in numbers. Even though I'm happy in saying that my team has done a good job, this moment I would like to thank my ExCom team and my special thanks to Monish We never felt that in MS Teams we could have a breakout area. He has done a very good, he has taken a good initiate, and I'm happy in that what things went on well today. And I would like to thank all the judges, and my special appreciation of thanks to Roshni. Thank you so much. You accepted whatever. I'm sorry, one second. I'm sorry. You accepted the way, we were happy the way of approach from your side. And I would like to thank Darshana for her sincere efforts in making this happen. And my special thanks to Nagesh. I think Nagesh and Monish, they are taking this contest master and contest chair for the first time. And a big round of applause to all the participants and to the winner of today's contest, Toastmaster Darshana, and the first runner-up, Toastmaster Vinod. And thank you, Veera. You have done it. Last time you were not able to join this TT contest, but this time you have joined and you have proved yourself that I can also do it. So a big round of applause from our side. So with that, we come to the end. I would like to hear a few words from our AD Toastmaster Roshni. Toastmaster Roshni, can we have a few words from your side?
Very good afternoon to everyone. It's almost afternoon, so a very good day or good afternoon to everyone. First of all, thank you for holding this contest. I can see that it would have been a very difficult moment for all of you. But no matter how less in number you are, it is very good that you did the contest because it builds the confidence for the people. It gives a leadership experience. So it was wonderful that despite all the struggles that you are facing, you went ahead and held the contest. So a very big congratulations to all. Though there were a bit glitches, it's okay. It happens with especially club with low numbers. I can quite understand how difficult it would have been for all of you. That's not a problem. And a big congratulations to all participants. They are all winners. So congratulations to all of you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Roshni. We are looking forward for more numbers, but still we'll try to work out and we'll see that how things are going well. Yes, can we have some feedbacks or some takeaway from today's thing? Yes, Vinod, do you have any feedback to be shared or?
No, it's feedback is like I'm very happy. I'm very happy that people say like every record is the past record is future's entry level requirement. So the base that we have set today, and it's phenomenal. I would say it's phenomenal because now we have set a baseline. All the mistakes that we have done is not a mistake, and these are the learnings for the next time people when they're going to take up their role. And yes, this is a time to not just within the club, to just go and see outside the club also. And I'm very happy that at least one or two members are going to go out and see the area level, because I want you to have that butterflies in the stomach when you go and stand in the area level contest and say, oh, I was so nervous, and hundreds of millions of thoughts coming in, and then you deliver the speech in a flow and then you come out, okay, you have experienced it. And that experience is what I wanted the club members to have it. And yes, I'm indeed very happy that some of our club members are going to experience it. Thank you so much. And it's not like you have to give a good speech to excel in Toastmasters journey, because I thought that is the very epitome of joining Toastmasters on very first stage or first year of joining Toastmasters. Later on came to know it's not that, but the leadership that runs behind the show. And it's you, Monish and Nagesh, that you have done a fabulous job, man. Seriously, you have done a fabulous job. You have no idea like what you have done to many other people, and also including you. You seriously don't have idea. I'm telling you now that you are going to definitely build a good success, a solid amount of success around you. Trust me, that's going to happen. But one thing is repetition. Please keep doing it again and again. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Toastmaster Vinod, for your encouraging words. And we hope to continue the same in the forthcoming days as well.
I'd like to thank. Hello, am I
Yes.
audible?
Yeah, please.
And first, I'm very happy that we made it. This was very successful contest. And I really want to apologize to CJ Roshni for letting everything at the last minute, letting to know. And thank you for bearing with us. And only by today, just right before the meeting, would have known the role plays, and because we have planned to cancel this contest and conduct regular meeting. But somehow we pulled up with encouragement we got from Toastmaster Vinod and Shivagami Devi. And thank you, and thank you for bearing with us, and sorry
No
for
issues.
all last minute notice.
No
And
problem.
And thank you for all judges joined us today, secret judges. I could notice that number of judges outnumbered number of participants. Thank you so much for joining us.
On behalf of them, I would also like to thank all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Darshana, for sharing your word of appreciation. Last but not the least, I would like to recall the winners and the runners for both the speech and the table topics. The winner of the nominations for the ISC contest would be Toastmaster Vinod Kumar and Toastmaster Monish. Kudos to you, team, and we are looking forward for your winning up the winning up in the area contest as well. Yeah, and the table topics, the first round, the winner would be Toastmaster Darshana, and the first runner, Toastmaster Vinod, will be moving to the area contest. We will let you know the area contest dates very shortly. And with this, I close the meeting, and I thank all of you who have joined this contest as a guest as well. Toastmaster Patrick sir, Toastmaster Patrick, guest Selvi. Thank you so much for joining the contest, sharing. I could see the way of your approach in this contest as well. Thank you so much. Have a happy weekend. See you all in the next meeting. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you all. Happy weekend.
Happy weekend. Bye.